I'm going to brown my bacon. Once your bacon is all browned and crispy, you want to remove it. In that same pot, add in some sausage. After your sausage has sauteed about 5 minutes, you want to take it out. To that same pot, add in your hamburger meat. Now that my hamburger meat has browned, I'm going to add my sausage back in. And I'm going to add my flour. And I'm going to let the flour cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. It's been 4 minutes. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Let that cook about 2 minutes. My onions and peppers. My garlic. Now I'm adding my broth. My W sauce. About a tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Some complete seasoning. And some paprika. Give that a mix. 1 package of beefy onion soup mix. Give that a mix. Now I'm going to add in my cabbage. When you get that cabbage added in, just cover it, let it simmer, and check on it in about 5 minutes. Okay, y'all, it's been 5 minutes. I went in and checked on it, and this is what it's looking like. The cabbage has cooked down, but I also went in and I added some Cajun tenders. I'm gonna let it simmer for about 10 more minutes. It's been 10 minutes. I'm sprinkling in some of that crispy bacon. And here you have it. Filthy cabbage. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell. Set it to all so you'll never miss a PattyKakes recipe. Thank you for supporting our kitchen.